Hey guys, welcome to Dalat. Dalat's often considered to be one of the most beautiful cities in Vietnam. What we wanted to do today was we wanted to take you on a trip throughout the day. We also wanted to show you exactly what we spend throughout the day. We've got $35 US, and that's going to last us throughout the whole day. Now, $35 US in Vietnamese dong is about 800,000 Vietnamese dongs. So we're going to take this money today and we're going to go see exactly how we can spend it. We're staying at a place called the Red House Hostel. It's a cool hostel in Dalat. We've got a private room, you get free breakfast, after 6:30 you get a free beer as well. And that actually only costs us 200,000 dong, or just under $10 per night for the time that we're here. So yeah, we'll head upstairs, have some brekkie, and then get on the road and show you what's out in town. Alright guys, so we just finished brekkie at the hostel and we've come out to grab a coffee on the way out to the Maze Bar. There's a cool little local place just around the corner from the Red House Hostel. You get these delicious cafe sure, which is coffee and condensed milk for 12,000 dong each. So we've each got one that's 24,000 dong, so it's just over $1. The first place we've come out to today is the 100 Roofs Cafe, also known as the Maze Bar.
Apparently it's super easy to get lost inside.
Yeah, but we'll show you guys around and see what it's like. So this is the way that we enter the maze. There's a staircase that goes down. Oh, this is cool. Down there? Is there stairs?
No.
Huh, so it's just a death hole.
The death hole. Corey, come look at this.
Okay, I'm coming. Case? Where'd you go? Case? 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 Hey, where have you been?
I've been waiting for you.
Oh, I've been looking for you.
Ah. Want to go to the top?
Yeah, I do. Made it to the garden. Let's go up the top and check it out. So we've just made it to the top of the Maze Bar. There's a great view right over the city of Dalat. It doesn't actually cost anything to get in here, but the drinks are a bit more expensive. We got a couple of Diet Cokes for 35,000 dong each, so that's about $1.50 per drink. So now we're finished up here, we're going to jump back on the bike and we're going to head out to one of the waterfalls that's nearby. So just before we go out to the waterfall, we just stopped for a bit of lunch. There's these banh mi stores all over Vietnam, and we've each got a banh mi, and it only costs 15,000 dong per one, so 30,000 dong for both of us for lunch, which is just over $1. So we're just going to have lunch and then we'll head out to the waterfall. So we've come out to Dalat Waterfall now. It's a waterfall. It's about 5 or 6 k's out of town. It costs 30,000 dong per person to actually get in to walk down to the waterfall, which is about $1.50. Then you can get a roller coaster down for another 60,000 dong per person, which is about $3. So we opted to take the roller coaster down, which basically winds down through the mountain right down to the waterfall, and then you walk back up. There is a bigger roller coaster that you can take that we went and had a look at before we walked down to the waterfall, which is 150,000 dong per person, which takes you all the way down to the waterfall, and then it's a return trip, so you go back up as well. It also costs about 3,000 dong to park your motorbike here as well, if you take a motorbike out. So yeah, these waterfalls are definitely worth coming out and checking out while you're here. What we're going to do now is, it's getting later in the day, so we're going to head back into town and probably go out to the night market and grab some dinner, and we'll show you guys how much it costs to eat some street food in Dalat as well. So we've just come back to the hostel because we get free beers between 6:30 and 7:30, so we're just getting our free beer now, and then we're going to go out to the night market and get some food there. So we've started dinner with getting a couple of what's called a Dalat pizza, which is some rice paper, some eggs, spring onions, ham, and a few other bits and pieces that are sprinkled all over it, cooked over hot charcoals, and then rolled up to create this delicious meal. These cost us 20,000 dong each, so 40,000 dong for both, which is just under $2. So the next thing that we're having tonight is actually a Malaysian dish. It's a chicken roti with a bit of curry sauce as well, and a couple of waters. So the chicken roti with the curry is 35,000 for one, and we're only getting one to share, and then the couple of waters are another 20,000 dong for both together. So 55,000 all up for this, which is about $2.50. So that roti was so delicious that we ended up getting dessert off the same guy. So I've ordered some chocolate roti as well, which is this, which is the crepes with the chocolate sauce inside. And then we're going to go over and get some strawberries after. So the chocolate roti was 20,000 dong, and not sure what the strawberries are going to cost yet, but I'll pop that down below what that cost us as well. Thanks for watching, guys. That was our day in Dalat. Dalat's easily becoming one of our favourite cities in Vietnam. Today we ended up spending about 640,000 dong, which is about 140,000 under what I thought we were going to. Means that we've saved about $5 or $6 US dollars off the budget. But yeah, thanks so much for watching, guys. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe if you haven't already, and we'll catch you guys next time. Bye!